So for me, the idea of conveying those things, of reaching those things, of identifying who you are and carrying that with you is the power behind everything else that you do. It's the way that you walk into a room, and whether that room is with a client or with a peer or whatever else, you walk into that room and you're comfortable. You know where you are. When we all walked into this house, we all came in and felt like we're introducing ourselves. And we're making an impression one way or another, and we're all doing our dance, and we're all doing our motions, and some of them are tight, some of them are loose, some of them are outrageous, Jay. But we're all making that move. What happened over the course of the last 4 days is we all got comfortable with each other. It's as if now we're all friends, and we can actually be honest, and we can see that. And really, I don't think the truth of who we are, came out till the third day. That's when we were really kind of sitting around. The laughter got stronger. The bonds got greater. The communication got easier. Along the way, those late night grocery runs, the camaraderie that happens after the table, the things that happened in class were what we came for. The real beauty of the education, the real beauty of this experience happened after hours. That's what it has always been. We've always felt like from the first time we did this 6 years ago, 7 years ago, when we first did this, and Dan called me and said, I got this crazy idea. Everybody comes into a conference and they attend a conference room and they stay in a nearby hotel, and their intent is to get out of there at 3:30 if they can on a 5 o'clock schedule, and get the hell away from whatever it is they actually came to do, right? Which is crazy, but that's the way business travel works. So Dan says, what if we didn't? What if we stayed? What if we actually stayed in the house with the like-minded people and tried to see what kind of synergy happens after hours? And I said, I'm in. I was probably the first one to sign up. I'm there. Let's go. So we did this. In the first meeting, we had 7 people total, I think.
No, 9.
9 total?
8 including me.
Yeah.
And then we had about another 5 people come for the class. It's just for the class.
But didn't stay.
Right.
And in that first adventure, we figured out that not only is this a winning formula, but it's powerful. It's powerful. And I would guess that if you guys look at all the business travel you've done in your life, this one is probably ranking way up at the top, right? Does that feel right? Yeah. And it's because of what happens after hours. It's because of the camaraderie. It's because of the networking. I have made some of the people in this room that I didn't know before that event have become some of my closest personal friends. And they become people that I count on, I trust, I know I can call. The networking is incredible. I will feel the same about you guys, if you don't mind, that if we wanted to stay in touch, I would feel completely comfortable in that, and the same goes the other direction. So how cool is that?
It's very
right?
priceless.
It's priceless.